Did you know tapirs have outlasted saber-toothed tigers and woolly mammoths, surviving multiple ice ages? Did you know, despite their bulky appearance, tapirs are odd-toed ungulates, making them a cousin to the zebra? Did you know a tapir's footprints are unique because they have 4 toes on their front feet, but only 3 on their back feet? Did you know the mountain tapir is the only species with a thick, woolly coat of fur to survive freezing Andean nights? Did you know tapirs have a third eye effect? They have a reflective layer called tapetum lucidum that makes their eyes glow in the dark. Tapirs are known to fleeman, a behavior where they curl back their upper lip and inhale to better detect pheromones. By doing this, they can determine if a female is in estrus or if another male has recently passed through the area. It is a vital part of their reproductive behavior. The heart of a tapir is large and powerful, necessary for pumping blood through such a dense and muscular body. Their circulatory system is also adapted to handle the pressure changes that occur when they dive deep into water. This allows them to stay submerged for several minutes at a time. Climate change poses a unique threat to the mountain tapir, as the cloud line in the Andes moves higher. As the forest changes, the tapir may run out of suitable habitat at the top of the mountains. Scientists are monitoring these changes closely to predict how the species will respond. The tapir's metabolism is relatively slow for an animal of its size. This allows them to survive on a diet that is high in fiber but relatively low in calories. However, it also means they need to spend a large portion of their day foraging and eating to meet their energy needs. Tapirs have been observed using fallen logs or rocks as scratching posts to remove dead skin and parasites. These spots are often used repeatedly by multiple tapirs in an area. These communal scratching posts serve as another point of indirect social interaction. In captivity, tapirs are known for being quite intelligent and can be trained to cooperate with veterinary exams. They are often described as having dog-like personalities by their keepers, showing curiosity and even forming bonds with people. However, they remain powerful wild animals that require specialized care. The name tapir comes from the indigenous Tupi language of Brazil, where it means thick, referring to the animal's incredibly tough hide. This name has been adopted into many languages around the world, reflecting the animal's South American roots. The tapir's tail is very short, almost like a stub, and serves little functional purpose. This is a common trait among many large forest-dwelling herbivores, where a long tail might get caught in thick vegetation. Instead, they rely on their skin and mane for protection. Tapirs are excellent at silent movement despite their size. They can move through the forest with surprising stealth, stepping carefully to avoid snapping twigs. This ability to disappear into the shadows is why they are so rarely seen by humans in the wild. The density of tapir populations is generally low, with only a few individuals occupying several square kilometers. This low density is why habitat fragmentation is so devastating. It prevents individuals from finding mates and leads to genetic isolation. Research into tapir DNA has revealed that the different species diverged from each other millions of years ago. The Malayan tapir is the most genetically distinct, having been separated from the American species for at least 20 to 25 million years. This long separation explains its unique appearance. The Baird's tapir has a unique white marking on its throat and cheeks, which helps distinguish it from the lowland tapir. This bib of white fur is more prominent in some individuals than others, and may play a role in visual communication between tapirs in the brush. Tapirs have a high tolerance for certain plant toxins that would be harmful to other animals. Their liver is highly efficient at processing these chemicals, which allows them to eat a wider variety of forest fruits and leaves. This niche allows them to avoid direct competition with other herbivores. The muscle structure in a tapir's legs is designed for explosive power rather than sustained long-distance running. This allows them to burst into a sprint to escape a predator or to charge through an obstacle. This power-over-endurance strategy is common in forest-dwelling mammals. The tapir's role in the forest is so vital that some scientists call them engineers of the landscape. By clearing paths and thinning out certain plant species, they influence the growth patterns of the entire forest. Without them, the rainforest would look and function very differently. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to Ethan Facts, and turn on the notification bell for more amazing wildlife facts. Which tapir fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.